Hello guys, Demo Explosion here, back today with another video, and today I am playing Slip Away. First video on it, actually. Well, let's get this started. So I'm sorry if there are any ads that do come up, but I think I got them all cleared up. I turned my Wi-Fi off, so they shouldn't be coming. But basically, if I want to go right, I have to hit the right on the right side of the screen. If I want to go left, I have to hit the left side of the screen. That is how you play, and there's a whole bunch of dangerous stuff in this game. Anything can touch my tentacles, but if anything touches my head, I explode. And as you can see, I'm this little jellyfish. Okay, now this is really cool. There's this gate right here. Yeah, and I open it, and then this really weird thing happens. It looks cool. I've never seen those death traps before. What? I did not expect that. I did not see that coming. Okay. Okay, that honestly was weird. Oh, I made it out of there. That was nice. Alright. Okay, whatever. But I hope you guys are enjoying this as much as I am. This is actually really fun. Alright. Apparently I don't know how to buy characters, so I can't. Yep. Which is stupid. Okay, let's see what is up, peoples. Alright, let's see if I'm gonna try this. Oh, cool, that's how it works. Okay. But doesn't this just look adorable? And I glow in the dark. Ow! Well, as you can see, that those lasers pop out. Nope, wrong button. But let's try some new game mode. There's kids, there's endless, and diving. I'm gonna try kids first. Oh, this is sad. This is sad. This is too easy. Okay, guys, we're not using this one again after this. Wow, this is just awful. This is like too easy. Way too easy. If we eventually die, oh my goodness. That looks so cool though. Wow, that's just, oh my goodness, this fast? Oh, so I have to go left. Okay. Oh, what? Sorry, guys. I'm gonna pause. Menu. Let's try game mode. Endless. I think it's endless, guys. Wait, was there like an end to the normal setting? I wonder if there's like an ending to the game. You know, like you could actually beat it. That'd be cool. I don't think anybody has, though. Because that game is hard. Seems so hard. So hard. But I think I'm just a little squid trying to get to the surface. Little jellyfish. Jellyfish. No! Okay, guys. We are going to go back to the home and try. I tried this one out earlier. It's actually kind of cool. Diving. You go down really fast. No, I hit the right again. I should have hit left. Okay. Oh, man. goodness, this is so hard. Okay, guys, this is harder than it looks. Whoa, I never... That's cool. Okay, that was weird. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna try different... Okay, let's see. Challenges? Okay.
Let's see the fights are simple. Stupid bats!
Okay. Jackson, is there something cooking? Oh, sorry guys, I'm talking to my brother. He's...
No, I easy. Why does bad this?
Oh, that's the dishwasher. Sorry guys, daily life got in the way of recording. Oh! Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm sorry guys if you lost interest in this. It's just me tapping now. I have to go slow because I'm about to die. Oh my gosh. Okay. Alright, you know what? Wait, hold on. Each time I collect a gem, I get... Oh, am I supposed to just collect like 5 of these? Or get to... Oh, I don't know, right? Alright. I'm just gonna go home. Alright, guys. I'm gonna get onto a different game real quick. I'll be back in 1 second.
Invincible warrior, and no one dared to stand in my way. I traveled the land, searching for a worthy battle, until I...
Nope, you guys don't get to see the end of it. Oh well. Maybe if you get the game, you can see it. But alright, but if you haven't noticed, we're playing Shadow Fight 2 right now. And it's gonna be fun. I get to stab ninjas. Is it gonna be fun? Don't show again. Okay, so survival. Alright, sorry guys, if this is loud. I'm gonna turn it down. Sorry guys. Okay, let's fight the ninja. Alright, but yeah. Fight the crap. Just staying alive. If you haven't noticed, I'm the guy named Shadow. She is a woman. And I'm the one on the right that's whipping butt. Now I'm on the left. And I whoop her butt. It's kind of hard to tell the difference between people in this game. Okay, now this ninja is strong. Okay, let's try this, boys. Oh, I got it half of his health down. Okay, hardly does much. Alright. Alright. Okay, so let's see. Let's see me whip his butt. Huh. Yeah. Now that was a nice shot, though. That was a really nice shot. Did you guys enjoy that? Was that a cool shot? Yeah. Basically, you can choose which of these games you like. You know, the most. Maybe like leave a comment, say which one you should that I should do more often. That was sick. That was sick. Yeah. Okay. So as soon as I die, we're gonna get into fight number 3. I mean into game number 3 for today. Ah! That gotta be so rude. Okay, let's punch the crap out of this guy with my knives. And again, with a sweeping blow. Now this game is stinking awesome. Stinking awesome. Yeah. Look at my sweet parkour moves. Yeah, that was me that just jumped off the ledge. That was me. Now I'm punching him. Oh no, he did it. No, I do it. Alright, now I'm the one who's winning. Whoa. Ow, I'm trying to beat the crap out of you. Could you please not? Alright, let's see it. Oh no, this guy is really taking it out of me. Oh my gosh, if I can just beat this guy, I'll feel accomplished. This guy is good. He actually got more than half my health down. Backflip. Backflip. No! I'm on hard mode. Whoa, that was... Nope. Would you look at that crit? Alright, but look at that wrist. Okay, I doubt I'm gonna survive round 6 with this slow. Yeah, with those swords, I have no chance. Wow. That was sad, but I did good, right? Did I? Please say I did. Please? Okay, so we are going to get into game number 3. Bye. Whoop, whoop, that's the sound of the police. Whoop, whoop, that's the sound of the police. Woo! Yeah, that's fun, right? Yep. I got big boots. Now I have them for longer. Yeah! No. No. Yeah, that was a nice jump, right, guys? Right? 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 Okay, whatever. What? How could I not make that jump? That was stupid. That was ignorant. How? How did I miss? I should have been able to make... And that... Whatever. It's fine. It's fine, I guess. I guess it's fine. Oh well. Yes! Two times. Now, I'm sorry guys if you don't find this interesting, but please leave a comment. Let me know what you guys want to watch. If there's one of these videos, one of these games that you like, please tell me. Please leave a comment of some sort. And please tell me what game you want me to play if it's not on this video. I'll try to read all the comments. I'll try my hardest. I know I'm gonna get so many. I'm just kidding, but I should be able to read them. Yeah. Bork, 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 bork. Bork, bork. Whoop, whoop, that's the sound of the police. Whoop, whoop, that's the sound of the police. Okay, I should be able to make that jump. If I jump on an elevated item, I should be able to get on the elevated item. Okay, so if I can jump half of something, and then I'm on half of something and I try to jump on something that's 2 times of that something, then shouldn't I be able to jump on that something? I know I make no sense right now, but I just got money. I got the money, money, money. Got the money, money, money. Yeah, let's do this, guys. Alright, back, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and hit that subscribe button. If you're new to the channel, go check out my other channel, Mr. Dab on a Game. Trust me, it's really interesting. Don't worry, I shall see you guys later, and goodbye.